guy for you in goals tonight on a positive note, but what have you thought about the opportunity that you've had here in Seattle that's led to some of that success?
Yeah, it's been good. Coach has been working well with me, and it's been a good season so far. But you'd rather get the win tonight, and it's 2 in a row for us. We know we got to fix some things and be ready to go Thursday.
You guys started off well in the game, obviously. What were some of the things you think you need to fix that kind of let things get astray?
Yeah, we let them play with speed. We gave them some free breakouts, and they'll make you pay. And we made some mistakes and turnovers, and it went in the back of the net.
How much do you think some of these games, back-to-back nights, just the long trip, factor into mistakes that are made like that?
There's no excuses. All 32 teams have back-to-backs. They have long road trips or long travel days. It's no excuse. We know we got to be better.
On your goal, you went to the bench first after that power play. What did you see that made you confident that it was yours?
I asked Abs, so no, it just I thought he deflected it, and he said he didn't, and then that's it. But on that power play, we're moving the ball, and we have some power plays that we know move it well, so we just got to be consistent.
Yeah, you got a lot of veterans in that locker room. This locker room, you guys have just lost 2 in a row. How do you avoid anything longer?
We'll be ready to go Thursday. I think, like you said, we have a veteran team in here. We have an older group, and we'll be ready to go Thursday.
All set?
Thanks.